so glad you can join me again today. So, I'm going to answer another question that you might see on an IELTS speaking section part three. Usually, some questions are a little bit more difficult to answer, and so I'm going to answer one today to give you an example of how you might do it and how you might find answers. Okay, so I have the questions written down also on a paper, so I'm going to read it from that. So that first question, or the next question is, who should support and sponsor inventors, governments, or private companies? Okay, so this is a little bit difficult question because I have never thought about that. In the past, I have thought about inventors like Benjamin Franklin, or we know Elon Musk, he's an inventor. So I've thought about inventors, but never who should support or sponsor them. But as I'm thinking about it now, I think it all depends on what the invention is. When I think about Elon Musk and he's has invented all these crafts to go to space, I used to always think that the government should sponsor that because that's all I ever knew. I knew about NASA in the United States. I knew they had a space program in Russia and in China and in Japan, but I think they were all sponsored by the government. But I don't think it would be wrong if, let's see, some private companies also sponsored inventions. So for me, it's just a matter of it all depend, it all determine, or it only matters to me like maybe what it is. If it's something that is beneficial for everyone, then maybe I would think the government should sponsor that so that everyone can use it and be benefited by that, just like something that maybe clean the air or something that create new type of energy. That would be good. But that's just my opinion. That's just what I think. Okay, so when I think about this question, yes, this is something I have never thought about sponsorship or who should support inventors. And because of that, I just had to guess or think about my thoughts on it briefly. So that's why I mentioned some inventors and why I think governments should sponsor some inventors and why private companies should support inventors. So I just gave my opinion just so I can talk about the topic, and that's what I did. That was kind of a difficult question, but yes, just give your opinion. You can say what you do know or what you agree about it so that you can talk a little bit more. Okay, I'll move on to the next question in another video. All right, you take care. If you have any questions or comments, please write them below. All right, bye.